I welcome you all children for 10th standard class. After completion of arithmetic progression, now the next chapter is coordinate geometry. What is that? Coordinate geometry. What is this, children? Coordinate geometry. So 10th standard chapter. This is part 1. So here you already learned everything in 8th, 9th. The continuation this chapter. But coordinate geometry, you must have a good knowledge about graph. You must know very well graph. And also, apart from that also, in 9th standard, you have studied about Pythagoras theorem. So, just formula you have gone through. But the theorem, it is not there. But in the geometry, under the triangle chapter, you are going to study about Pythagoras theorem. But now, because of solving the problem, because of finding some other concept, you must know the formula of Pythagoras theorem. What is that, children? Pythagoras theorem. Formula. What is this? Pythagoras formula. What is this? Pythagoras theorem is meant for right angle triangle. There are so many types of. This Pythagoras theorem is based on right angle triangle. You know all other types of triangle also. Isosceles triangle, you know. Equilateral triangle also, you know. This is one of the triangles. So, see, look at the board. So, this is a right angle triangle. How do you find out this is a right angle triangle? So, here the perpendicular line is there. This always should be 90 degree. This is A, B, C. This AC we call it as, what is that? Hypotenuse side. This is a base. This is a perpendicular line. Isn't it, children? Isn't it? So here, always, so the square of the hypotenuse is equal to sum of the square of the other two sides. This is the theorem of Pythagoras. But that will be written in the equation form, that is AC square is equal to hypotenuse is equal to AB square plus BC square. This knowledge you require. This is a Pythagoras theorem formula. Follow, children. This knowledge you require to understand coordinate geometry. So, is it clear? Pythagoras theorem. So, now let us go for basic entities or basic elements of graph. So, shall we go for graph? So, you already have done, but still I have to give some of the concept development for you. You may forgotten. Okay. Now, let us pass on to coordinate geometry. Under coordinate geometry, what is coordinate geometry? Geometry can be taught through algebraic expressions. Geometry can be taught based on algebraic knowledge or concepts. Okay, so that is coordinate. Algebra and geometry coordinate here. Not only that one, under graph also coordination will be there. You know the graph. Graph means, see, this is one line, vertical line. This is horizontal line. This is x dash. Whatever you can give. Okay, y dash. This is origin. See, horizontal line, x dash. is x-axis. What is this, children? X-axis. X-axis. Y dash. Y dash. This is y-axis. X and x dash is horizontal. Y and y dash is vertical. O is origin. What is origin? X axis and y axis coordinate at a point O. Coordinate at point O. The interaction of x axis and y axis coordinate at a point O, and also that intersect at 90 degree. Intersect at 90 degree. Look at the board, children. See, altogether 360. Altogether 360. Have you followed? See, look at the board once again. See, x dash. This is horizontal line. This is also known as x-axis. Followed. So now y dash. It is a vertical line. This is y-axis. Y-axis. Both are intersect. X-axis and y-axis intersect at a point O. That we call it as origin. And also the intersect point is at the angle 90 degree. All four angles are there. Clear, children? That is equivalent to 360 degree. This is about the graph x-axis and y-axis. Okay. Another one you have to understand. Always in the graph we have to give the place value x and y. We are not writing y and x wrong. This is correct. You must know very well. Whatever the value first, if you get that, consider it as x. The remaining one is y. Is it clear? This is about the graph divisions. Now next we pass on to next. Axes are ordinate and Cartesian coordinate. Cartesian coordinate. So that is about see here. So once again, horizontal line x dash x axis, vertical line y axis. This is an origin. This is still here towards one point m. Here y axis n. So this OM is also known as x axis. X axis. Children call out x axis. O abscissa. Say children, abscissa. Wait. Spelling abscissa. See children, abscissa. Okay. So x axis or abscissa. Another one is vertical line. ON is ordinate y axis, and it is called also what is that? Ordinate. What is this, children? Ordinate. The intersection of x and y. The intersection of x and y. The center origin or Cartesian coordinate. Children, don't have any confusion. The name are different. Concept is same, children. Look at the board once again. See here, y dash vertical line, y axis, x dash horizontal, x axis. Y axis, x axis is also known as abscissa. X axis is also known as abscissa. Y axis is also known as ordinate. X and y intersect at a point origin, that is known as Cartesian coordinate. What do you call Cartesian coordinate? Cartesian is name of mathematician. So this is after him. That's all. That's all. This you require to understand. Okay, is it clear? Now the graph, you come to know what is graph. You come to know coordinate geometry. You come to know abscissa, ordinate, Cartesian, coordinate. These are the concepts you know. Now let us pass on to another one. I will teach you. So the same thing. Here you have observed the same graph. There are 4 quadrants are there. How many quadrants are there, children? There are 4 quadrants are there. That quadrant like this. This is a first quadrant. This is a second quadrant. This is a third quadrant. This is a fourth quadrant. So these quadrant andre gottalla kalu bhaga. Okay, this quadrant, how to put the side? See, suppose you go for right side, plus 1, plus 2, plus 3, plus 4. Okay, children? Here you come left side, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. You go up. So here plus 1, plus 2, etc. You know. Down if you come, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Follow, children? So here, how to put the sign? See, x-axis first, no, plus. Y-axis first, second, no, plus. This is the Cartesian coordinate. So go for second quadrant. So x-axis minus, y-axis plus. See, minus plus. So here, x-axis minus, y-axis also minus. Fourth quadrant, x-axis plus, y-axis minus. Look at the board now. This is the first quadrant, this is the second quadrant, this is the third quadrant, this is the fourth quadrant. In the examination, the fourth quadrant having a sign dash, they will ask. So what do you write? Plus and minus. If you forgotten, you draw the figure, you find out the sign. So this is very important. Clear, children? Have you followed? Okay. Let us continue. Next concept, the first one is distance formula. What is that? Distance formula. This is about graph. Okay. Now let us pass on to find out or derive distance formula, children. What is the first formula? Distance formula. Distance formula. What do you mean by distance? Anywhere you go. Say suppose you take for example a straight line. This is A, this is B. What is the measurement of this distance? We have to find. Okay. So now how to derive? How to derive that formula? Take for example, so this is a graph vertical line. This is a horizontal line. This is x dash, y dash. Okay, so here there is a line is there inside the graph. This is P, this is a Q. Okay, we have to find out the distance for this, children. Okay, so without supporting anything, we cannot find out the distance. Now you have to draw supportive construction. Supportive construction you have to draw. How to draw it? Take for example, this is the x-axis. Put a dotted line because this is a construction. Okay. So another one you write down now. Here make a triangle now. So draw a line now. So this is a construction. You have that. Okay. So that name them. So P, Q, R, S. This is a T. This is a T. I gave a x1. So here the full. So here this is a O origin. This is origin. This is x. Okay. So here y1. So here are you following, children? So here x2 till here. See, OR is x1 now. So here OS is x2 because this is a x-axis. Go for this side, vertical also you go. This is a distance TS. TS is y1 now. Okay, children? Okay, children? So here you go for this one. So full y2. This is y2. See here, I will teach you once again. See, look at the board here. So here, this is a y-axis, this is a x-axis. So we have to find out the distance PQ. PQ distance we have to find out. That is a question mark. If you want to find out PQ distance, we require supporting lines. Supporting lines we require, construction we require. So that is why I put a dotted line on the x-axis, and also vertically this is against, this is y-axis. So horizontally x-axis x1 OR distance is x1, OS distance is x2. Here PS distance is y1, QS distance is y2. y2, is it clear? Now, what is the distance of RS? x2 minus x1. x2 minus x1. These two sides are equal. That is why this is also x2 minus x1. Clear, children? This is a rectangle. This is a rectangle. Opposite sides are equal. x2 minus x1. Here once again QT distance is y2 minus y1. y2 minus y1. y2 minus y1. Now we have to find out this one. We have to find out the distance of PQ. So how do you put this is a right angle triangle. This is a right angle 90 degree here. 90 degree, children. 90 degree. What is the hypotenuse? P2 square. Which are the other two sides? So PT square plus QT square. QT square. This is a Pythagoras theorem formula. So what is PQ square? Nothing is there. Question mark. Nothing is there. What is PT square? Opposite sides are equal. x2 minus x1 whole square plus is there. What is QT? y2 minus y1. Clear, children? Now, what is PQ? PQ is equal to whole root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. This is PQ is equal to, substitute as D. Once again you repeat, x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. What is the distance formula? D is equal to whole root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. This is the distance formula. Follow, children? Have you followed them? So this is the way distance formula is there under coordinate geometry. Based on this, number of problems given in your textbook. Apart from that also, when x1 and y1 they have given now. So and instead of x1 and y1 they have given it as a 0. By the time the distance formula become a whole root of, see, that is x2 minus x1. Okay, so that the formula will be x square plus y square. Another one become x2 become a 0. So by the time you can substitute. See here D is equal to, substitute substitute. X2 become a 0 minus x1. Okay, whole square minus what is that? No, minus no plus. So here 0 minus y1 whole square. So if you simplify, you are getting x square plus y square. When the another one x1 y1 x2 y2 become a 0, by the time this formula you can utilize. This when you get here, so this is the origin distance when you are taking, so you are getting a this one OP distance will become a this one, because origin is 0 0 another one will become a x1 to y1. So for this formula x square plus y square given in your textbook, so you have to find out. Following this one, so you solve some of the examples they have given. So I will teach you in the next class. Okay children, is it clear? Okay, next class I will continue. All of you go through your textbook, try to solve example sums. So 5 example sums they have given. So I will solve you out of 5 to 3 children. So go through it. It is very easy. Distance formula you come to know, whole root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. When the distance from the origin to another point, you are getting x square plus y square. Y means origin is 0 0. That is what 0 0. x1 and y1 will be remaining. So this is about the distance formula. So I will continue the same thing